And welcome to the tutorial of the intrinsic vulnerability tool. This tool estimates the intrinsic vulnerability of soils and can be used once defined the regional scale of Markfeld or the local scale of the Valle Telesina. So first of all, let's draw a region of interest. We can use the tools in the upper part of the GUI. Let's name it test intrinsic. Okay. And then we can save our region of interest, call it test intrinsic. Okay. So then we go under the challenge, land degradation and sustainable development goals. Under nitrates and pesticide directives, we can find the intrinsic vulnerability tool. The model requester is really easy. You have only to select the region of interest, so test intrinsic, and click on evaluate. Then the results are immediately shown through a map that shows the intrinsic vulnerability of the soil. So if we open the legend, we have that it is classified from very low to extremely high. It is computed at the bottom of the soil profile. It mainly depends on the soil properties. It was evaluated considering an input of a reactive solute of 1 kg per hectare and a generic grass cover. So as you can see, each soil polygon is classified differently. In this case, we have that if we sort by the vulnerability, classified vulnerability, we pass from an extremely high, so the purple polygons, to a very low, which is this green polygon here. This was classified according to the normalized travel times, which is the time that the generic solute takes to travel across our soil profile. This can be estimated for the entire region of Markfeld and also for the Telesina Valley. Thank you for your interest and see you in the next tutorial.